Welcome friends, this is the continuation of our series VB6. In this tutorial, we'll learn about procedures in VB6. A procedure is a block of code which is executed upon called. It is a reusable piece of code, so it saves a lot of time for the programmer. So our aim here is to create a procedure and to add two numbers and show the message box containing the sum of the two numbers. So let's start the project. Here, create a new project. So this is the project window. Is it according to our need? Then inside the coding pen, go to tools and then click on add procedure. Here, this dialog box contains the properties of the procedure. Here we need to type in the name of our procedure. Let's say, for instance, here the name is addition. Here we can specify whether our procedure is a function or not. The basic difference between a subroutine and a function is subroutine does not return a value while a function returns a value. There is the scope of the procedure. By default, all of the system procedures are private, but here we are declaring a procedure as public. Then click on OK. Here. So first, as we can see here that our procedure is parameterless. Here give two parameters, it is a as integer. Integer is a data type which holds not fraction numbers, that is real numbers. B as integer. Then we are showing the message box containing the sum of A and B. Then go to the designing phase from here and then put up a command button. On the click event of the command button, we call the sub procedure using the call keyword addition, and then inside the parameter we pass 10 and 5. So this is our coding. Run the program using F5. Here, when we click on the button, the addition of 10 and 5 will be shown as a message box. Here, the result is shown here. So in this tutorial, we learned about subroutines in VB6. Thank you.